Hello, my little coders. Welcome to Magnet Brains. Today, we are going to create one more game. Two games we have already created, Catch the Object game and Maze game. And today, we are going to create Balloon Pop-Up game. Okay, so the working of this game is like that. We have balloon as our character and our balloon will fall from upside down at random positions continuously, and whenever I click on mouse pointer on the balloon, then the balloon will pop up and our score will increases. Okay, आप सब लोग मेला तो गए होंगे, आपने मेले में वो गेम खेला है जहाँ पे एक बड़े से बोर्ड में बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे बलून्स लगे रहते हैं और हमको एक गन दी जाती है जिस गन से हमको वो बलून्स को फोड़ना होता है और हमारा स्कोर इंक्रीज होता है। बिल्कुल वैसा ही गेम हम आज बनाने वाले हैं। बस इतना सा फ़र्क है दैट आवर पीसी इज़ अवर बोर्ड एंड माउस पॉइंटर इज़ अवर गन। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। For that, we require a balloon character. You can delete this from here. Close this. Select a balloon. Okay. Now, किसी भी चीज़ को स्टार्ट करने से पहले what we have to give an event block. Okay. So go to event when green flag clicked. Okay, now I have to change the position of this balloon. I want this balloon to fall from upside down. Okay, so you already know that this balloon will work on y-axis. Okay, so we select motion block, change y by 10. Okay, so if the balloon will go down, the value of balloon will decreases. So we have to change this value to -5. Okay, and I have to place this in a forever loop so that the value decreases continuously, which means the balloon will fall down. Okay, so let's check this. Click green flag. See, balloon is falling down. Okay, but now I want कि balloon will automatically come up and fall at random position and then automatically comes up. Okay, so for that we require a condition. So go to if block. What we require? See, you know that this is 180 and this is -180. Okay, so if my balloon touches -180, so it will automatically goes to 180. I have to apply this condition. So how I will apply? I will go to this operator, select this. Instead of 50, I will put -180. And what -180? Y position. If the position of y exceeds from -180, so go to random position where set y to 180. Okay, see, whenever I click green flag, so position of y will change by -5, which means balloon will fall down continuously. That if y position increases from -180, which means if balloon will fall down, then it will go to automatically up at 180 and random positions. Okay, see, this is happening. Whenever I click green flag, balloon is coming down, then automatically up at random position and it is falling down. Okay, but now I want that whenever I click the mouse pointer, it will pop up. Okay, so for that I have to apply a condition, go to if block and place it here. Okay, if this below the if block, okay, go to sensing, touching mouse pointer. If I touch mouse pointer, then what I want? I want my balloon to hide, which means it will pop up. Okay. See, whenever I click green flag, see, the balloon will hide. But if we are hiding the balloon, we need to show the balloon also. Now, so go to show block, paste it here. Okay, we need to show the balloon when balloon will fall down and then it automatically comes up at 180. Okay, so see this. Whenever I am clicking the mouse pointer, the balloon is hiding and it automatically falling from upside down. See, Now to make it more interactive, I want to add a sound of pop whenever I click the mouse pointer. Okay, so go to sound block, start sound pop after touching mouse pointer. Okay, see, the sound of pop is coming. It looks interactive now. Okay, so now I need to add a score. Whenever I pop the balloon, my score will increases from 1. Okay, so for that, go to variables, make a variable score. Set my variable to 0. Instead of my variable, we need to select score and select change my variable by 1 whenever I am popping the balloon. Okay, so instead of variable here also select score. See, whenever I pop the balloon, my score will increases. But now you can see that my score will increases from many numbers. Why so? Because I am touching the mouse pointer, it is touching it multiple times. Okay, so for that we need to apply a wait block here for 0.5 seconds. Okay, so it will touch the mouse pointer to the balloon only one time. See, we will play it again. 0 है अभी स्कोर. अब मैंने माउस पॉइंटर टच किया, देखो 1 हुआ, 3. Now it is increasing from 1. Okay, so your balloon pop-up game is ready. You are ready to play this game and enjoy with your friends. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.